A wonderful niche you have to work in on Redbubble or another print-on-demand platform to make more sales. And in this video, I'd like to show you a sample of my sales regarding that niche and how to create your designs simply. In addition, how to dominate that niche as well. And now let me show you one of my recent sales regarding that niche. Let's go. This one, congratulations on your recent sale on Redbubble. This customer from Germany. As you see, our today's niche is about anniversary. As you see, essential t-shirt of best husband since 2015 anniversary cohort. And of course, it's amazing niche. I have many sales regarding that niche as well. So for example, this one classic t-shirt of best husband since 2020 anniversary, and this one as well, essential t-shirt of best husband since 2019 anniversary, and this one tri-blend t-shirt of best husband since 2001 anniversary. And for sure, it is a great niche, so you can work in Redbubble or in a print-on-demand platform to make more sales. And here you can figure out what the best thing here are in that niche. So the first one is a simple design. Just you can add some words, some graphics to create your beautiful design, like this one, best husband, best wife, and since a given year or a given date. And for sure, people always love make their gifts so special and more expressive to love and affection. And for sure, if my wife gives me that t-shirt, I will be over the moon and feel like this t-shirt was made especially for me. And the second, the best thing here on that niche is you can create some variables. You can create a huge amount of designs with some variables. Just you can paste husband since 2015, 2014, 2011, 2020, and so on. And you can go to past years, 1989, 1990, and so on, to create a huge amount of your designs. People always look for t-shirts and other gifts that have these designs for a specific date or a specific year. Okay, so how to create these simple designs? Simply, you can create these designs everywhere, like on Canva, Vista Create, Photoshop, and so on. In today's video, I'd like to show you how to create your simple design on canva.com. So you can get together to Canva and create your designs with your suitable dimensions. And now we can go to elements, and you can look for something like retro sunset. Okay, as you see, you'll find here a huge amount of retro sunset, vintage sunset, as you see, with some gradient scheme. So we can pick out one of these beautiful graphics. So I would prefer this one, for example, quickly, as you see. And now we can add some trees or some mountains. So we can add some trees. Okay, go to graphics to be more specific. And then we can select, like this one, some pine trees. Okay, and we can duplicate it, as you see. Perfect. And so on and so forth. Amazing. And now it's time to add your superhero regarding your wife or your husband. So you can try here hero or superhero. Go graphics. As you see, you'll find it a lot of vectors. So we can pick out one of these beautiful graphics, like for white and black one, like this one, for example, quickly. As you see, make it bigger a little bit. Beautiful. And now you can add your text. So we're getting your text, your headline, and of course here you can add any font as you want. And for our today's design, we can select like Leopold. This one can change this color to white, as you see. Perfect. Make it bigger. Okay, and we can type here paste husband. And now it's time to curve this text. So we can go to effects, scroll down to curve, as you see, and you have the control over this curvation. Perfect. You can make it bigger, as you see, and close to our retro sunset design. Amazing. Perfect. And now it's time to change its color to be complement to the retro sunset. So go to change its color, and we can select one of these colors of that retro sunset, like this one for example, or that one, or that one. So we can take this one. It's beautiful. Okay, and now it's time to add the second portion of your design, which is about the date or the year. Add another text. Okay, and then you can add something like since 2022 for example. Make it bold, make it bigger, and here you have made your first design about anniversary niche. Best husband since a date. Perfect. And as I said before, the best thing here on that niche, you can create a lot of designs with some variables. Just you can change this year or this date. And of course you can do that manually. Just you can copy that design and just change this year for 2021, 2022, and so on. And of course this method takes a lot of effort and a lot of time. Or you can get help from some automation tools like this one, Merge Titans automation tool. Just you can depend on canva.com to create scalable designs with some variables, and of course it is a paid tool. Or you can get help from this Chrome extension, Canva Automate Maker. And of course I have talked about this amazing previously in a video. You'll find this video below in the description box. Or you can get help from this amazing tool for free. That is topbubbleindex.com. topbubbleindex.com. You can create a lot of designs with some variables for free. And of course this amazing website topbubbleindex.com is a great tool for Redbubble or etsy.com. And for sure I have talked about that website in details. You'll find this video below in the description box. And regarding our today's topic, for making a lot and a huge amount of designs with some variables, or just changing the year or the date, so you can get together to design tools, design editor. And first of all, you have to go back to our design on canva.com, and just we can remove this one, this text, the date portion, and download it as a transparent background. Download transparent, and choose our page, which is 5. Okay, and done, and download it. Perfect. Go back to our topbubbleindex.com, and just we can go to this section, image and SVG, to upload your design that you have downloaded from canva.com. As you see, smaller as much as possible, as you see. Perfect. And now we can go together to this one, multiple and dynamic text. This dynamic text is your variable. So here you can find a lot of dates, a lot of years, like 2021, 2022, 2020, and so on. Here you find some editing tools of that text, like you can change its font, you can make it italic, you can add some effects like gradient, shadow, some strokes, some pattern. Okay, perfect. Multiple. And then you can add your variables, your years you want to make your designs about, like since 2020, like since 2021, like since 2023 for example, or since 19 $89, okay, and so on and so forth, to create huge amounts of your design with some variables. Perfect. And now we can click over this one, generate. Just a few seconds, and this amazing website, just you can change and replace this dynamic text with your year. As you see, post has been since 2020, post has been since 2021, 2023, and 1989, and so on, okay, with transparent background. And now just you can download all these photos from this button and upload to your Redbubble or Merch by Amazon or Spreadshirt, Zazzle, and so on, to get the benefit of that niche and to make domination of that beautiful niche. And this is the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.